This video is for Mr. and Mrs. PIB. This is my 1981 C10 named Hush Money. I got this truck in December. It was a 6-cylinder, 3-on-the-tree. Now it has a 530 horsepower stroker roller motor, 383. 350 transmission, 4,000 stall converter. I did all the patina on the truck. The truck didn't have any patina. The passenger side bed was actually mostly primered. I'll put a picture of the truck when I got it. I started out with a 5.7 lowering kit. Now, after changing the setup a few times, I am at probably 4.6. It's got an aftermarket 4-inch hood from LMC. It was black. I rattle canned it. I also rattle canned the side over here. I did this by sanding the truck and then sanding bare spots and using vinegar to make it rust, and then I cleared it. I just spritzed it and spritzed it. Built a center console for my shifter. Got a dash cover, got new carpet, got a seat cover from LMC. This truck has all new suspension, got a fuel cell in the bed, all new brakes. And I put this on here for everybody who keeps asking. No, I'm not gonna paint it. I'll include a video at the end. Hopefully Mrs. PIB can put it on there of the truck running and driving away. But thanks for giving me the opportunity. 81 C10 Hush Money.